your recycled bird feeder, you'll need any kind of container, free of labels and all cleaned out. A pair of scissors and a knife that'll cut through your container. At least 3 feet of string to hang your bird feeder. A few popsicle sticks and a hot glue gun. First, you're going to drill or poke holes in the bottom of your container and in the top of your container. Then you're going to cut an opening in the side. This will be where the birds will feed out of. If you want, you can do more than one opening. To create the perches, you create a hole in your container with a knife, and then you poke the popsicle stick through the hole, and then I secured mine with hot glue gun on the inside to make sure the weight of the bird wouldn't move the stick. Next, you're going to take your string and insert it through the bottom of your container. And pull it up through the top of your container. And then pull it through the hole that you made in the top. You'll want to make sure that you pulled most of the string through the container, leaving about 3 inches of string coming out of the bottom of the container. You're going to use that string and tie it around a popsicle stick, and then wrap up the popsicle stick a few times. Then you're going to secure the stick to the bottom of your container. I put my hot glue on the top and the bottom, and then I put some on the middle on the string. You're going to want to use a blend of seed that attracts birds native to your area. I just filled my container up to the opening. And you're going to want to hang your feeder where you see a lot of birds, like that tree behind me, and there's a shrub next to me that all the birds hang out at. And then you just wait for the birds. There's your DIY bird feeder.